Hi, Mommy Kiara. I need help making goodies for my friends.
You called in just in time! Ready na kami! I'm with this little cutie, Olivia.
So guys, today we're making Nips Rainbow Pizzas and Nips Choco Rainbow Fudge.
Whoa, so colorful.
First, gagawin natin ang rainbow-inspired pizza. To start, we just need two things you can easily find in your kitchen. Sliced bread at kahit na anong sweet spread. Don't forget your 1 to 2 packs of Nips chocolate. At kung feel nyo ni baby, add bananas or apples for a fruity twist. So first, i-flatten natin yung bread with a rolling pin or pwede ring baso. Gamit ang isang platito at butter knife, cut around the platito para gawin ang bilog na pizza shape. Then spread the chocolate or peanut butter. Ito na po ang favorite part ni Olivia, decoration! Use your Nips pieces and fruit to decorate your pizza topping. Pwede mo siyang gawing slices o i-enjoy ng buo. Yay! Para sa second recipe, chocolate rainbow fudge naman ang gagawin natin. You'll need semi-sweet chocolate, vanilla extract, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and 2 snack bags of Nips. Ilagay ang chocolate sa bowl at i-heat sa microwave. For 20 seconds in intervals hanggang melted and smooth. This is done para hindi masunog ang chocolate. Then mix in the vanilla extract and condensed milk. Spread out the hot fudge into a pan na may foil or parchment paper. Then add pops of color with some more Nips. Refrigerate until cool. Usually iniiwan ko siya sa fridge overnight. And ayan na siya mga mommies and kids! Nips-tastic Choco Rainbow Fudge!
Ang saya ng mga recipes, no, Olivia? Thanks again, Purple, for having us! Bye!
These look great. Oh, they're here. Hey guys, I missed you.
Purple! These are amazing!
So chocolatey!
I can taste the love.
I couldn't have done it without our friends. Thanks, Kiara, Olivia, and you guys.
Thanks for making our day sweeter.
Till next time!
Bye!